Okay, here we go. First startup, change ring gear and Bendix. Let's see what she does. Make sure the red button's up. Oh, baby.